This morning, my daughter Lily, before she went to school, she asked me if I can make a bookmark with Panda climbing up the tree for her best friend's birthday. I hope this video will bring you a new enjoyable experience. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please click subscribe and check the bell. Your support means a lot to me, and when I publish a new video, you'll be the first to know. Let's start making this original watercolor bookmark. Let's start with the planning. I'm gonna paint outside into this border. I'm gonna first mark a little bit for the green leaves. I'm gonna put a little yellow color over here with the Prussian blue, which is make a very beautiful green color. This time I'm also going to put a little colors, a little bit more blue colors, a little kind of a gray color onto the tree. I also going to give it a little bit this kind of colors for the little big shadow. Also, this is can merge together on the tummy of the panda, and I'm going to soften that. Try to create this structure, feel like the pandas is just rounded. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to paint it into the whole background. I'm going to use this scroll hair brush. It is a paw ribbon. I will put the link in the video description so you can take a look. Now do a little lifting. I'm going to work into the panda first. And I'm going to use this small calligraphy brush. This is good. Maybe this is the time to put some darker color. I'm gonna do a little suggestions into the eye first. In order to show the outside over here, so I'm gonna mix a little green color like that, and okay, that's good. something like this. And I'm gonna put it right over here. Okay, now I come back to start painting the tree. Now let's take a look how the bookmark would look like. So the background color, I need to work on it a little more. So I'm going to add a few little green leaves. Let's do the final adjustment. So this is my new composition. Now I'm taking the tape off. Now the painting is sprayed with the protection. Now after it dries, I'm going to start doing the trimming. Now the bookmark is finished. If this lesson helped you, there is a Patreon link in the video description. Become an Enjoying Art member and allow me more time to make quality videos. Also, thank you for giving this video a like, share it with your friends and family. Sharing always makes me happy. I'm going to make Q&A in my videos, so please put your questions and comments down below. I will read and respond, and I will see you in my next video.